This is Caro, Viee. Today I am in Belgrade, Serbia, and if you guys don't know where it is, here's a little map. I'm in Europe, okay, and I found a gem. I found a beautiful Airbnb that you guys can rent for your trip to Belgrade, Serbia. I have quite a few comments to make about the kitchen. So number one is it does not have a freezer, you guys. So if you guys are planning to stay here for a little while and you guys want to get like frozen foods, there's nothing that you can use to store your frozen foods. So there's no freezer in here. The fridge is quite small. They do have a microwave, which is good, very handy. They have a small stove, so there's 2 stoves. So you can't do any complex cooking, like the simple cooking will do. We actually left some ramen here. I don't know if it was from a previous guest, but I was like, hey, I'm gonna eat that. Here they have a nice place where you guys can eat. Here you can eat your lunch, your dinner, and obviously you guys can have guests. There are 4 chairs. So 4 people can be here. You can serve 4 people. So here's like the entrance kind of situation here in the stairs, and let me just say, you guys, this is a effing vibe, period, because this is a vibe. Like, I just love the stairs. I love the mirrors in the back. Honestly, I am obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm gonna show you guys upstairs. Me acting like this is my crib. I need to fucking move the camera. One thing that I have to say is I absolutely love this painting, and like the fact that she is black just makes it even better. I just love it. So beautiful. I wonder, maybe the owner's black. I don't know. I haven't seen that many black people in Serbia. To be very honest, I haven't seen one black person in Serbia, so I don't know. It's like the little gathering area, so I guess this would be the living room. Here you can sit down, you know, your guests can sit down, and there's a TV that you can watch right there. Here you can like lay down. I'm envisioning myself moving in here. I could be sitting here chilling, and then I could have like my guests like down there in the kitchen, you know, eating something. If I had the money like that to just like buy an apartment, honey, this apartment would be sold. Like, sold. I love this. So here's the bedroom, you guys. The queen bedroom. The TV, honey. Look at the size of this TV. It's big. It's big, and it's a smart TV. As I can see, you can watch Netflix, you can go on YouTube. I wanna move in here. 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 Okay, now let's go to the bathroom. The marbles. The marble. The floor is marble. Blue marble. 2 sinks. Great for 2 people, enough storage. There's a washer over there. You can put the towels right behind you. You can put towels. You can sit inside the shower. Like, bruh. This shower is huge. You can take such a beautiful shower in there. And the sinks, and the mirror, the lighting, this bathroom is, I love it. I want it so bad. I already grew like an emotional attachment to this place already, you guys. So now we're going downstairs, and I saved the best for last. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite part of this Airbnb, and this part is what sold me. Are you guys ready to see the winner part of this house? You guys, they have a freaking sauna. They have a sauna. Like, they have a effing sauna. Spa in the house, honey. Spa in the house. Self-care at its finest. And they have a whole setting here that you can touch, and you can like do the settings. Beautiful marble shower with the rainfall thing. Let me lay down here. Okay. It has literally a whole tub here, and you can lay your neck down here. There's jets everywhere that you can turn on. You guys, there's a mirror. Let me relax. I feel like I'm hyperventilating. No, but you guys, there's a mirror in front of this tub. There is another bathroom where you can go take a shit, okay? Okay, you guys, so this was it for my Airbnb tour review. If you like this bitch, focus. If you like this kind of video, give this video a thumbs up so that I know you guys enjoy it, and it will help other people to get to see this video as well. Leave a comment below and tell me what is your favorite part about this house, and would you guys book this Airbnb? And if you guys do end up booking in this Airbnb, let the host know that I let you guys go over there. Next time I go out traveling, I will make sure to also do the reviews on the places that I'm staying. So don't forget to subscribe if you guys do not want to miss future videos, and stay safe and travel safe, and I love you guys. Bye. I just need to focus on my